Brothers and sisters, members and supporters of the Progressive Labor Party, greetings. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you for your continued support of our party over the last 50 years. On Saturday, October 26th, we're going to celebrate our historic 50th anniversary by holding our annual banquet at the Fairmont Hamilton Princess. I will be given the opportunity to present to you our vision of empowering ourselves from within on that occasion. Tickets are $125, $250 for patrons, and $3,000 for corporate tables. You can get your tickets at Alaska Hall or contact Ms. Belinda Cyrus at 292-2264. Come out to our banquet and let's enjoy ourselves and let's celebrate our 50th year anniversary.